This is a weave, and I'm going to show you that this top part, where are we at? Right here. Let's see if we can. The top part of this weave is the weave that I do on these bracelets, okay? And then I switch to what's called a Cobra weave. And all of these weaves, the rest of these are all the Cobra weave. When you buy a survival bracelet, okay, just about any bracelet you buy will have this weave, will have this Cobra weave, okay? So I want to show you that when we deploy this, what happens to the Cobra. You'll have to untie all of these. Now if you make everything in loops, okay, you'll still have to untie this weave, this Cobra weave. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this. I'm going to pull this one right here, and all of these will come undone. This is my weave. The rest of these are going to be still in knots, okay? So let's pull it. And I'm going to, you can see when I pull that those knots, see those loops get a little bit smaller, okay? I'm trying to keep it in frame for you. Okay, so I just deployed all of the rope. All of the rope is deployed, and all of my knots came out. All of my knots came out, and you can see. And now I get to the Cobra weave, and they're all still tied. So now you'll have to untie all of these knots to try to get your cordage. So that, again, that's what this bracelet, that's why this bracelet is different than the other bracelets. Okay? Here's a smaller one. It's the same thing. I have right here is the Cobra weave all the way down, and this side is the weave that I use. Okay? So I'm going to pull this, and it'll start coming out. Here we go. Okay. So I pulled it, and now all that's left is the Cobra weave. All of my knots came out. So you'll still have to untie all of these.